The average salary for an HVAC technician is around $55,000. HVAC technician job description. HVAC technicians install, inspect, maintain, and repair heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems in homes and businesses. They must be knowledgeable about the systems they are working on, as well as the safety procedures required to properly and safely work on them. HVAC technicians may work on a variety of systems, including traditional heating and cooling systems, geothermal systems, solar systems, and heat pumps. They must be able to read blueprints and diagrams, as well as understand and follow written and verbal instructions. HVAC technicians must be able to work independently, as well as in a team setting. They must be able to work with a variety of tools, including hand tools, power tools, and diagnostic equipment. They must also be able to lift heavy objects and work in tight spaces. Those who are interested in becoming an HVAC technician should have a high school diploma or equivalent. They should also have basic knowledge of electricity and mechanics. Some employers may require an HVAC technician to be certified by the EPA. This certification is optional, but it may allow technicians to work on more complex systems. HVAC technicians typically have to undergo on-the-job training. This training may last from a few weeks to several months. HVAC technicians typically work full-time and may be required to work overtime or on call. They may also be required to travel to job sites. HVAC technicians are in high demand and can make a very good salary. While the salary and job outlook can vary depending on the region of the country, HVAC technicians typically make a good wage and have a promising job outlook.